Children will come to school on Monday. We intend to have challenges of social distancing. That shall not stop us from opening schools. There is no country in the world where new classrooms have been built because of the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to plead with our gallant teachers to ensure that they become innovative. For example, in this school, you can see in between the trees, if the weather is as good as it is now, nothing stops the head teacher, who is an excellent teacher, from having classes outside there, in addition to others being inside the room. Let us be innovative and let us stop criticizing without solution. We are not going to waste time again in terms of listening to people who are telling children or parents not to bring their children to school. As far as the masking policy is concerned, all the masks that the government has made ready for the needy children are now available and ready. And they shall be distributed not through lobbying. We have a system where we shall identify ourselves the children who need the masks.